Hi, it's Handy Val. In this video, I'll be replacing my battery on my Cadillac key fob. This key fob was commonly used for most Cadillac CTS, SRX, and Escalades from 2007 to 2014. This one is from my 2011 Cadillac CTS. All you need is a very small micro type flathead screwdriver, as you can see there. It needs to have a thin head. So the first step is to remove any key rings and keychains attached to the battery. Make working on this a lot easier. So with this flathead screwdriver, you need to look for this small access spot. Okay, and the idea here is we're trying to kind of like remove this top part from the bottom part, and that will expose the battery. And there's only one spot here that you're able to use your micro head screwdriver, okay? And if you're holding it this way, it's going to be right over here, and hopefully you could sort of see it right there. There's a little bit of an access spot, okay? If I look at it on the other side, you're not able to see anything. It's just pretty much, it's pretty straight, okay? What you're going to do is grab the screwdriver, slide it into that access hole, just slide it, okay? Don't get too worried about it. And what you're going to need to do is kind of just turn it, okay? And you sort of see that, it starts to kind of come undone. And you're going to want to go just around everywhere. There's a bunch of tabs holding this stuff together. Okay, go around and around until it kind of comes undone. Keep doing it. Okay. Just going to see that there. Okay. Keep going about it. Okay. That would be it, and that's going to expose the battery. The battery we're using here is a CR2032. It's a very common battery, it's cheap, and it's found in most stores and online. Alright, so let's take this battery out. So you can try to take it out with your finger if it's possible. Okay, you can also use a screwdriver. Okay, but it slides out. You're just trying to slide it out. Note the orientation. Okay, what you do is then grab the new battery and put it in the same way. Okay. Slide it in there. Slide it in there. Okay, here you go. Sometimes depending on how you do it, things may kind of come apart a little bit. Don't get too fussed about it. You're going to easily be able to put that together, almost like a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, now you're going to turn this piece off. You see all the tabs that we were trying to get done there as we were going around. Sort of see those tabs. Okay. You give it a clean if you want as well, just a little bit there, but no need to. And then you just need to sort of snap this piece back on. Okay. Just like that. Make sure you have it right, so it's aligned, and all you need to do is just press, and press, and press all around, and there you have it. Now let's give it a try. Alright, that works.